Understand this happened to me before and them driving. Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door!
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
It's exploding right now! You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So me know when I see that little video there a while ago, me I said Jano Star, yo. A serious thing a go on in a Jamaica right now. A serious thing a go on in a Kingston. Concerning taxi drivers and a bag of things. Yo. That was like a high speed chase. You see me? Between taxi and police officer. But people, before we talk about that video, what would I like you to do? Hit the subscribe button if you are a new viewer to this channel. And don't forget to leave a like and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Before we talk about the whole other video here, I want to check out the new song here by Terro and Kriz Kapital entitled Outside.
Up in the club live and pull up outside, man pull up. Girl I go up on a Insta live and a show up. Any can't too much inside and me too much. Don't pies with the vibes, so what do you? Dog, my split light, I go up on a quick flight and me got a bitch side and me 365.
Chop city brawling out and never disguise if you don't dip on this side.
Don't spoil me night.
Yes, I mean I tell us say yo, you see that youth here? I go the youth. I'm a vlogger as well. But you know say him a do the music thing. I'm never gonna say him a try do the music thing. Him literally a do the music thing. And from your love party, you see me and excitement and all of them thing there, you must like that song ya. You want me tell you who not gonna like that song ya? It's like the Umbre then we create one big war of sons over there. Them not gonna like that song ya. You see me? Because we don't want nobody when we are party people stop the vibes. And that song you about. So from you know say you not stop no vibes. If you're not Umbre, no deal. You see me? And you know say yo a long time you want. You see me? And you see me in the party just pray man and wait till the party over cause we not stop the vibes. So just listen it one more time. Terro, Kriz Kapital, song entitled Outside.
Revolve up on the waist right now, about 5 and night. Them know we outside for life. So me I beg you don't spoil me night. Yeah man, now we pull the string boy, yeah man, we fly your kite. So if you like your life, then you better don't spoil the night.
And people, that one is also produced by Chop City Records. I say it go, Terro Records or Terro Chop City Records. Anyway, him co-produce it with Bad Music. You see me? So, them a do them thing. You don't know it go. We're outside. So, people, we are going to talk about that little drama that we see took place here now. Channel Star. Yo, that's why I don't like to take taxi when me the Kingston. Because, quite frankly, I'm not going to say them that happen other places in a Jamaica. But you see, in a Kingston it happen to the most. Particularly, on the 32 road, you see me? The Duane Park taxi them, Red Hills Road taxi them, Whitehall taxi them. And them taxi they always a run from police. You see me? And it can't safe if you run from police and you know say yo passenger in the vehicle as well. The vehicle full up, but yet still you drive and run from police. And when them crazy police are more wild, they will just draw them machine and start squeeze. You see me? Because a speeding car from police, you know, that means say you're bad people. You see me? And the police them can pray say yo you have gunman, I have your thing for you, that's why you run. You see me? So people, make we check out the video right now. So I'm gonna play the video right now.
Understand this happened to me before and them driving. Open the door! 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 Fucking get me open the door! Oh my God! I'm going about my business. I don't want to be in this car, but then drive it down.
Yeah, people, so like that. So right now, me can see, apart from him a run from the police, me can done see say him overload. Because that look like a 7-seater. You see me? Meaning 7 person must in the car. 2 on the extreme back, 3 in the second row, you see me, and 2 at the front. That are 7 people. And me can see 3 on the extreme back, 4 on the second row, and me can't clearly see how much they are front, if a 3 or 2. So right there, so him overload. From the look of it, him look like him a speed. You see me? And plus, this is a hostage situation. Because him nah let out the people, you know. Him nah stop for make the people them go about them business. But him a drive same way. I see the mad girl, I don't know if I jump, she didn't want to jump out or what. You see me? She just yo, John was star, the situation. It's serious. And I'm glad say somebody can forward and catch this on camera. Cause people, I'm glad for the digital age, you know. Because I don't know them thing are going. And me call out the route them way go on the most. Me now say it don't go on pan the other route them, you know. You see me? Don't get me wrong. But yo, you see the Red Hills Road route, you see the Whitehall route, you see me? And which other route me they call? Red Hills Road and Whitehall and Duane Park route. Yo, them people them run from police daily. And people might I wonder say, why them people keep on taking the illegal taxi? You see me? It's sticky for the people them. Because watch you know, watch the style. If you do any park route, see? And more the people them comment in that comment section and tell me if me wrong. But me kinda have an idea what go on to Kingston and what go on on them route there. You see me? If you live on the Duane Park route and you want go your yard, first of all, you see when you go to halfway tree, you not see no bus, you not see no JUTC bus. And them used to have the little coaster bus them where them give them road license and whatever. So them legal on the road, you see me? Them take away the license upon them and only run JUTC upon them route there. So people, how them are going to run JUTC alone upon them route there when JUTC cannot control the route? You see me, JUTC don't have enough resources to control the route. So that's why them people, you know, illegal taxi forward and run the route. And people, yo, you know when you want go home or you're late for go work, you got probably do any means necessary. You see me? And at that me can understand say probably them people are caught in a right now. But you know watch your style you know. See? All what the government need to do are just give the Duane Park them taxi them like make them legal so them can regulate it better. You see me? When them illegal now, the taxi man them just do what them feel like. And now you gotta have transport around down the man them, you gotta have police around down the man them, and all these different agencies around down the man them. You see me? And him just make him honest bread. Me nah say yo, the taxi man fi run and in a high speed chase against police, you know. But I just saw the thing set at Jamaica. If them say you run illegal, them are gonna run you down. You see me? And there is no way to get a road license upon them route there. As the time of making this video, I don't think nothing changed, but there's no way to get a legal road license so you can drive legally. So you're not going to have no problem with police. So where the people them for do? That's the truth now. People, I'm going to comment in the comment section and tell me if you're wrong. At any given time, pass in the peak hours, see me? So from probably 4 to probably 6, 7, go to halfway 3, go to right where the total gas station there, and look how much people are wait on them taxi there, them route there, including the poppy inside too. I don't really know much about that side because I used to live in that little area there, so I know about the Red Hills Road, Duane Park, Whitehall area. Yeah man, ask somebody, I'm not telling a lie. You see me? So the taxi man them just a hustle yo. Them just a hustle. And more people them understand, you know. Me nah defend the taxi man them, you know. Cause right now this a man should just probably try go one little part when he can squeeze, fly the door, fly out the people them quick and drive. You see me? The girl could have dropped out and dead because the door open. You see it? And might I add again, one similar situation like this happen with one little youth from Ascot. Me no know remember who remember. But one similar something like this happen with one little youth from Ascot. You see me? Either police did a run down the minibus and shoot up the minibus and the hombre dead, or police did a run down the minibus get out of control, turn over and dead. One out of the two. Somebody please comment in the comment section and refresh my memory. But it happened right out of Portmore Mall. You see me? So, there are some little things we need to address. You see it? It's situation sticky. The situation sticky. Me not tell a lie. I feel it for them people. Yeah. Them things are not for go on. Them things are not for go on. So people, let me know what you think in the comment section with the whole video here. Let me know if you ever in a situation like this where the taxi man are run from police and you in it and you can't move. Me then in one of them situations one time, yo. Jaja, the hombre speed like, oh, me see my life. My whole entire life flash across my face. But not never happen still. But let me know in the comment section what you think. And let me know in the comment section what you think the government can do to address problems like these. You see me? People, don't forget, check out Terro new music. Me go link it in the description or the comment section. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.